Hi there, in this video, I will give you a quick guide on how you can use the CoinGecko API, so please listen carefully to each step that I will be explaining, and this will help you pull cryptocurrency data for apps, websites, or personal projects. So first, what you will have to do is go to coingecko.com, and then you will click this button right here, which is API, and then you will go ahead and register for a free API key if required. Then you will review the API documentation for endpoints like coins, markets, and simple or price. And then you will use HTTPS request, get, or post so that you will be able to fetch the data. Then you will test your request in Postman or your coding environment, and then you will integrate the response data in your project as needed. And yeah, that's basically it. And by the way, if your screen looks a little different, then you will just go ahead and click resources. If it is what is visible here, then you will then see API and just do the same process that I've just mentioned earlier. And yeah, that's basically it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope it was helpful, and if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this.